We understand that getting a boiler can be quite a nerve-wracking decision, and finding the right company or tradesperson can be difficult. We understand that all you want is a knowledgeable, reliable, trustworthy company to provide their services at a reasonable price. We can help if your boiler requires servicing, repairing or replacing. We make sure we get a boiler that suits your needs, whether it be a top-of-the-range Worcester Bosch boiler with a long guarantee or the affordable and reliable Glowworm boiler. There is always something within your price range, and it's our job to find the right boiler for you. All our boilers come with 5 to 10 years manufacturer's guarantee, which gives yourself and your family or your company peace of mind.
You don't need to worry about that, it comes with a 10-year guarantee.
A 10-year guarantee?
From Western Barnshire to Glasgow, we cover all areas. We are very proud to have recently won Screwfix's Top Tradesperson of the Year, and this all came down to our impeccable customer service and our attention to detail on every job. It's so important when you're dealing with gas that you get people that are properly qualified and accredited to do the work. Everyone here at LCD Heating is fully qualified, fully trained and accredited. That's why we are part of GasSafe, members of SNPF, the Plumbing Federation, and we are Which Trusted Traders.
I would rate LCD on a scale to 10 on a high 9 because of their professionalism, their detail to work, and gave us a fantastic job.
I would rate LCD 10 out of 10 as they are very professional and they know the trade and they know which boiler is best for the customer.
Join our list of happy customers and give my wife Jan a call today to get your free quote booked in.
Good morning LCD Heating, Jan speaking, how can I help?